I am your host, Tashwin. Today, I would like to tell everybody thank you for joining us on Tremaine TV. Now, I have something special for you today. Today, I will be interviewing a hero, or should I say, a heroine, because she is a woman and she will be telling her interesting story about how she played an important role to save someone's life. Now, let's get to our heroine.
Jesus! You know what I need to tell you? No GCSE, no A level, you will end up in McDonald's. Jesus
Miss,
is Lord.
Miss, you are in live now. Oh, sorry. Okay, so now, Miss, heroine, I should say. Tell our viewers, what is your name? My name is Agatha Adassa Georgina Maiden Powell.
I hear me to me,
What
me.
a long name. No, I heard that you played Hero just 2 days ago, right? Yes, ma. 2 days ago. It was 2 days ago
Jesus is
since it
Lord.
happened. The viewers, and especially me, we are anxious to hear that story about you saving someone's life. So, without further ado, viewers, let's hear the story of our heroine. I was on my way from market. And may I tell you, it was a very, very bad market. No, not sell a market. Things stopped selling there. Everything just cheap, cheap, cheap. Me tell you, say, scaling and time this stone dog. And me see me come from market. And me keep on, camera. And me keep on looking at myself. And me say, God, things and time just hard. But what me I gonna do? I have to be thankful that me have life. And one mind said to me, I don't know if it's God attack. But one mind said, look to the east and up. When I look to the east and up, is a man that me see up in the tree, ready for hang himself. Oh! I said to him, sir, what you doing? And me say, the man look for me and say, all ugly woman, make you don't move. I look at him and I said, ugly? You calling me ugly? Come down and tell me to my face. Come and tell me say me ugly to my face. The man so interested, if he can't trace me, that him forget, say him a go hang himself. So me I tell you, say, the man come down out of the tree and drape me up so. Same way so.
Apostle, we hear of this.
The man drape me.
Tell Apostle about this.
And I said to him, the blood, let me go. The man said, lady, kill me upon kill myself, I have disturb me if you send me to prison, And I said to him, say, where you go kill yourself for? The man start telling me, one more is the problem. Who the fucking man start telling me? I'm going to tell the man, say, it don't make no sense. You cannot kill yourself. You are going to go to hell. The man frightened. The man said, but Lord, me never remember that. So if me commit suicide, me I go to hell. Thank you, man. Thank you. And me and the man walk away from the tree. But leaving that matter and come, me say me want to talk to me neighbor them.
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Me want to tell you say, hey, me phone a ring. Hello. Yes, Mas John. Me can't talk now, so me dey on TV. What you say? Then look at the goat in my garden. Me soon come, Mas John. All right. As hustle neighbor there. Every time they look at them goat in my garden, and every minute when time me sell me goat to make money, they come beg me salt. So why they go put the goat in my garden?
1 hour later.
And me don't say them bad mind me, no.
Jesus.
Them bad mind me to me look good. That's a long story. But we the whole all of my community, them bad mind me. And through me drink hot juice and all of this in there, the whole of them bad mind me. Powell, it's a very, very interesting story, but we have to. I'm telling you, if one of them ever, Miss Powell, romp with me, Miss Powell. Yes, ma'am. We have to wrap up now, Miss. Time has passed, and it was such a long story. I'm sure we can, put another interview for you so you could finish your story. But we have to wrap up right now. So, viewers, here it was another episode of our heroes and heroine on Tremaine TV. Please tune in to our next program. Next week, same time, same place. Thank you. So me feel so yeah, me neighbor Agatha. You don't like me neither. I don't know. You want to use me to get popular? I am not coming back.